Working on a 6620 today. A customer brought it in and wanted to replace the tilt cylinder in the steering column because it had so much play in it. And so what I did was remove 4 bolts from this little plastic deal to remove this, and you also have to remove that as well. And so I used bungee cords in order to hold all this up, and there was 4 more bolts. As you can see, there was 2 on each side, so do that first before you go to pulling this up. And so as you can see, there is that Allen right there, and there's a cylinder, and up here at the bottom you can see there's a little pin in there, which it looks like somebody tried to remove it, and I've done this before and it was a pain, so I'll use a air hammer and try to ping it out, and I'll show you here in a minute. These are the tools you're going to need to remove the steering column. What I used was a pocket, a Phillips, a little small Phillips for the ones that the long ones can't reach, a 1/4 inch 10 millimeter with an extension, and a 6 Allen head, a hammer, and a air hammer. As you can see, I got the pin out. I'm gonna show you what it looks like from this other side. See, it's out. Cylinder. And I just gotta remove these Allens and I should be able to get it pulled out. So here's the new cylinder. And so this is from the old piece. I had to remove this, remove that nut, back it off, and then spin this off. And so I installed it on this new cylinder, and you kind of have to get it to where the other one was. And so when you set it in, you see that arrow right there that goes down in there. So I'm gonna install it, and then we're gonna try it out before we put it all back together. So here is the steering column. As you can see, press it and it holds now. I had to take it off one time because I had to back this nut up and then twist this top handle one complete turn because it kept bleeding up. It was like going up by itself slowly, so I had to readjust it. So as you can see, I got the steering column adjusted to where it won't bleed down, and so I'm about to air hammer this little pin back in place so it can sit flush on it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start putting everything back together, like the plastics, the columns, the side panels, and work on another issue that it has. But that's it for today.